A 50 brilliant way to make money online for beginner by Dave Bezos. Making money popular. This post may contain affiliate link, meaning at no extra cost to you. We may receive a commission if you click through and purchase. Read our full discourse here. Are you interested in making money online as a beginner? It's sometime that interests many people. The idea of sitting at home or anywhere in the world and making money from your fine gift. There are many ways to earn cash on the internet, and some way are easy than others. But whether you are beginner or an extra expert, the surest way to make money online is thought consistent. In this post, we take about 50 ways to can start making cash from the comfort of your own hands. How to make money online for beginner and make $100 a day online. You might ask yourself, can I really make money online? Isn't that some sort of scam, or isn't sure it might sound that way? The thing is, it's possible to earn $100 or more per day online for participate anywhere in the world. This could be while working at home, on the road, or at a resort in any other country. It's not easy thought, and there no way to earn fast cash overnight. It takes much work to get started. Earning money online in the ultimate side, the side income to earn from making money online can earn you a lot of money if you spend enough time mastering your trade. Some people will do this in their spare time, and others will make a full-time endeavor out of it. Imagine, for example, that you earned per year's job over and $4K basis pay the you make per month. If you earned extra income from an online site, given in the number of $400 per month, $100 per week, that's effectively a 10% raise. This is great if you want to earn some extra cash. However, we are going to talk about how to do more so that you can earn money long term. And what are you going to discuss below are 50 brilliant way to make money online as a beginner, and how to earn great that 100 per day. You can that use your liver earned money to pay down debit, save a major purchase, travel, invest, and more. Let's talk about how you can start making money while working from home or anywhere you choose. Here's some idea to get you started. Video editing. Video editing is on way to make money online. It can be done complete anonymously and by working from home. People are constantly filming and updating video to for a platform like YouTube that they want to be edited or changed in some way. If you have experience as a video editor, it may be somewhat easy to do this side gig for extra cash. As a video editor, you will be responsibility for editing video force or organizes it in way that the filmmaker want. You can also offer you service as an audio editor where you edit podcast or radio spot by removing unwanted sound, flex volume level and more. If you have experience with a After Effect that then this another M1 Films commission free automated investing. Find niche and start a blog. If you are a beginner on way to make money online is by starting a one blog. Some popular niche to blog about include, and you can create a blog on any topic and make money from it thought ads, affiliate marketing or selling your product. A popular way to monetize blog is through Google AdSense, which allow you to place advertisement like text, like a link and banner ads. Sort out the page in order for people to click them using a permission ad network like Ezois will earn you even more money if you significant blog traffic.